In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable third-party cookies in the Google Chrome web browser. This is an essential skill for managing your online privacy and enhancing your browsing experience. Let's dive in and take you through this step-by-step process to adjust your Chrome settings just the way you like them. First, open your Google Chrome browser and direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You will see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other, affectionately known as the Chrome menu. Clicking these dots will reveal a drop-down menu filled with various options to customize and control your browsing activities. Go ahead and give that a click to open it up. Once you've opened the menu, you're going to want to navigate to the Settings. Simply scroll down until you find where it says Settings, then click on it. This will open a new tab dedicated to all the ways you can tailor Chrome to better suit your needs. It's a one-stop shop for personalizing your Chrome experience, packed with everything from appearance adjustments to privacy changes. Speaking of privacy, our next stop is in the Privacy and Security section of the settings. Look to the left-hand side of the screen now. Here, you should observe a list of categories. Go ahead and find Privacy and Security, which is the place to manage important settings related to your data protection and online security. It's a crucial area if you want to have some control over your information while you are browsing. Within the Privacy and Security section, you'll now need to locate third-party cookies. Clicking on this will take you directly to the cookie management page. Cookies are small pieces of data that websites use to remember information about you, such as login details or items in your shopping cart. Third-party cookies, though, are used by outside websites to track your behavior across different sites. This function can often lead to targeted ads, but it can also be a privacy concern for many users. Now you're almost at the finish line. When you arrive on this page, you will have to choose between several options to either enable or disable these third-party cookies. You'll find options like Block Third-Party Cookies in Incognito or Block Third-Party Cookies. Simply select the option that best aligns with your personal preferences or privacy needs. Remember that enabling cookies might provide a more seamless browsing experience but could sacrifice some degree of privacy. On the other hand, restricting or disabling them can enhance privacy but may limit functionality on some websites. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the settings in Google Chrome to manage third-party cookies according to your needs. Adjusting these settings is a great step in taking control of your online data security. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and be sure to explore other features in Chrome's settings to further tailor your web browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.